Hi everyone, I'm Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the best mobile holder for your car. So watch the full video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit on that like button. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon, and also follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse. And if you are interested in buying this product, the link will be available in description and comment section. Let's get started. So this is how the packaging looks. I'll just show you quickly. So very nice compact package. Now let's open it and check. So here we have some booklets. Okay, so instructions how it will work. If your section is losing its stickiness, simply clean it. 2-step locking, revolve the screw for fixing the arm of the mount. Okay, and if I go inside, here's where the main mount is. So let me show you all the mounting. So this is the part where you'll keep your mobile phone, and this is the suction mount. Okay, so for fixing this, you have to basically make this loose and then just try to push it in. It'll you'll able to see if you just put little bit pressure only, it'll go in. Don't put too much pressure, just make this loose and try to push it in. Right, so unboxing is done. After that, I have used this product for 2 weeks. So there were a few requirements that I had because I've used many other mobile holders, and there are few problems I found in those. So I thought that in this product, those are the things that should not be there. So the first one was the suction mount that comes with it should be good quality, and also it should be washable. Second thing was that suction that is available. So the suction that is available in this product, you can put it on the glass as well as on the dashboard. So one more thing that I wanted to check was that it should not fall off when the road is bad, because our road conditions, there are a lot of potholes. So when our car goes over the pothole, that mobile holder should not fall off, because previously I have seen mobile holders where you put the phone and you're driving and suddenly with the whole mobile holder, the phone also falls off. So luckily 2 weeks I've used it and it hasn't fallen off. Another thing, the next thing that I wanted to check was that when I put the phone on the mobile holder, the phone should not tilt or should not start bending, because again, road conditions are not good. So when there's a bump, the mobile should not start tilting. That was also another thing that I noticed was not happening. So that was good. Mechanism, if I say, while attaching it on the glass, you should be careful that it's not hindering your vision, because sometimes what happens is we put the mobile holder in such a way that when we are driving, there's a blind spot that happens because you have kept it in such a way. So be sure that wherever you're attaching it on the glass, it's not hindering your vision and it's not distracting you, because that's also important, that if it's very close to you and you're getting distracted, then it's better that you move it a little bit more away. So take care of these things, and overall I have used this and I'm pretty happy with the product, the mechanism, the suction, and overall my phone is almost 6.8-inch display, and there's no issue with the mechanism. Putting is also easy and removing it also is one-step mechanism. Overall I've been impressed with the product, and I thought I'll share my review with you all too, so that if you are looking for a good mobile phone holder at a good price budget. So I didn't want to go too much above range. My price was under 500 rupees. So this one you will get at 299 rupees or 300 rupees it is available. For exact pricing, I'll recommend you to check the description of the video, because prices keep changing. So I'll provide the link. Whenever you click on the link, you'll get to know the exact pricing. And taking a look at the reviews, even before buying it, there were almost 32,000 plus reviews, and it was 4-star rated. So I knew that it is good, but I wanted to just test it out before making a video. So overall, I've been happy with the product, and you can go for it even if you are looking for a mobile phone holder under 500 rupees. So that was it for this video. Product link in description. If you found this video helpful, please do click on that like button. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. And follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse. That's it for today. See you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.